Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. Hello alamal ikat Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So this is a 10/7 additional calculator. So this is actually sounds like before that we solved that in exercise 10.6 in a while loop. Here we have like print, and then we use a try and except value error if the input is not numbers, it's not integer. Example, the input is string, and then there are friendly error message here. So this is same, but we use while. This is same too. Wrap your code from exercise 10.6 in a while loop, and then so the user can continue entering numbers even if they make a mistake and enter text instead of a number. Enter string instead of a integer. Let's try. Well, draw here. This is same like before actually, but I just wanna copy here to make it easier. But here print, press input to number. Start with except, and then here, okay, number 1, number 2, if number 1 is great, then here if number 2 then okay, then try except print. Okay, done. This if number 1 is good, let's try. Python 3 then 7. What is your number 1? 4, 6, and the addition is 9. Okay, always in the looping as long as you didn't add the quit. If you add like this, please input the numbers here and just quit and quit. Let's try. Okay, 3x. Okay. But if you add the string text, the command will be please input numbers here, and then always back to the loop here. Okay, and if you quit and then so it is easy, right? So don't forget to just add to terminal. What's terminal here? Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.